Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm partnering again with Ulta Beauty, and today I'm going to be sharing some really awesome products that I know you guys are going to love. Every month Ulta Beauty is highlighting different hair care trends, and the hair heroes for this month are curl refresher sprays, and I'm really excited about that because this month is pretty much dedicated to us curly girls, which is really cool. I get the question all the time, how do I make my curls last after wash day? Curl refresher sprays. They're going to be your best friend. They are light, they help to hydrate and define your curls after day 1, 2, 3, 4, however long your curls can last throughout the week. So these are definitely going to be very helpful for you. So I'm going to be telling you all about these refresher sprays. I got to try some new ones myself, and I'm glad to say that I really love all of them. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so before we begin, I just have to let you guys know this is day 4 hair. Not bad, okay? I know I have some frizz on the top. I know you guys can see it, but this definition and volume is not bad at all for day 4 hair, but let's get into it. So I have 6 different curl refresher sprays here, all which can be found at Ulta Beauty. So I'm gonna be telling you guys about each one. And what I did was I kind of put them in order from lightest to thickest when it comes to the consistency. So the first spray I'm gonna tell you guys about is the Tgin, thank God it's natural, rose water curl refresher with rose water and green tea. So I've heard about the Tgin products before. I've never got to try them. So I'm glad that this was the first product that I actually got to try because I really like it. It says that it's a lightweight revitalizing spray that reduces frizz, enhances shine, and instantly rehydrates dull, lifeless kinks, curls, and waves. So I like this spray a lot because it's super duper lightweight. It has a really good fresh smell of rose water. You can smell the rose in it, and it has green tea in it. So I don't know if you guys saw the trend of using tea bags or tea water and using it as a treatment for your hair. I've seen a lot of people do that. Surprisingly, I haven't tried that yet. But I'm glad to say that at least I got to experience some kind of tea benefits from using the green tea spray. I will show you the spray shot. It's a fine mist when it sprays, so I'll just spray it. It smells so good. So with this type of spray, I like this because I'm able to spray it all over my hair and not have a problem with my hair being weighed down or anything. This definitely hydrates my curls. It gives it more shine. So this is really good. It doesn't cause any buildup. This is the type of spray that you can use on a daily basis. And this product has no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, and they do not test on animals. The next spray I'm going to tell you guys about is Ouida's Botanical Boost Curl Energizing and Refreshing Spray. I love this stuff. This has plant extracts in it and you can smell it. It smells so fresh. This is a really lightweight spray. It doesn't weigh the hair down. It doesn't have any like residue kind of formula. It has ginseng, rose hip, centella, and aloe in it. So it has really refreshing ingredients. It also has castor oil in it. So it's very moisturizing, but it's still really light. So I will show you the spray shot and what it looks like. It's a pretty wide, fine mist as well. And they say when you spray it all over your hair to just cup your curls, scrunch, and encourage the curl. You can use this on damp hair as well if you just want like additional moisture. But for the most part, I just use it on my dry hair and it definitely helps to revive my curls. So I'm definitely a fan of this one. The next spray I'm going to tell you guys about is one that I have already been using all summer long. I already had this spray. And this is Diva Curl's Diva Fresh Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, sometime during the summer, I did like a small little tutorial on my Instagram stories and I showed you guys how I refreshed my curls with it. I really love this stuff. This is super lightweight, but it gives my hair so much volume. So this spray is a little bit unique compared to the other sprays that I'm going to be talking about because this is a curl and scalp revitalizer. So they're not only promoting that this is awesome for your curls, but it's awesome for your scalp as well. And if you have a dry and itchy scalp throughout the week, you need something that's going to help to cool down and refresh your scalp. So this is really good for that. And because you can spray this on your scalp, they also promote that it fights odor. So it's just good to help your hair and scalp feel refreshed and clean. The ingredients in it are kombucha and prickly pear. So it smells amazing. It definitely smells like pear. I love the scent of this. This is also a wide shot spray. And the reason why I'm telling you guys that is because not all the sprays are. It's good to know that when you're spraying your hair because sometimes it's straight and sometimes it's, you know, a light mist. So anyways, so I'm going to spray this on my hair. I'll just spray it and then you just scrunch to encourage the curl, and oh, it smells so good. This scent reminds me of like a pear smelling like fabric softener. It smells so good, but like clean too. Anyways, this is the type of spray that I can spray all over my hair and I don't have to worry about it being weighed down either. You guys know I love Diva Curl and they definitely did not disappoint when they made this. Okay, so the next spray I'm going to tell you guys about is Wella's Fresh Up 72 Hour Neutral Curls Anti-Frizz Spray. So if you guys don't know already, I did a review on the Neutral Curls line. I was actually a part of their campaign last year, which was super cool. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out after you watch this one. I will leave the link right here, so click on that. So what's impressive about this spray is that they promote that it lasts 72 hours. That's a really long time, and it does last for a long time. This spray is definitely more on the thicker consistency side. It's still light, don't get me wrong, but it has a lot of moisture in it. On all the products, they do rate them from 1 to 4 on how moisturizing they are, and this is actually a 1, surprisingly. The third ingredient in this is castor oil, so it's definitely going to be a little bit thicker than the products that I just mentioned. And when it comes to the spray shot, this shoots straight. So what that means is you definitely want to spray it into your hands and not directly on your hair. I will show you. So what I do is I rub it into my hands and then I just place it where I want there to be more moisture, and I'm always going to go for my ends because that is just the driest part of my hair. And I guess that's also because that's where my color is, and it's the oldest part of your hair, so of course it's going to be drier. I'm going to add a little more to the other side just to keep it even. And this has a really good smell too, and this has like a bit of a tacky consistency, but what that means is that's going to make sure that your curls are going to stay in place. So it feels like something is holding your curls together so they don't come apart and get super frizzy. So keep in mind, if you have curls like me, that's just the way that I do it. I make sure that I control the parts that the spray goes to on my hair. But if you have really thick hair, you might be fine to just spray it all over because your hair is thick. Your hair can hold more of that moisture and it won't get weighed down. So this spray definitely does a good job of making sure that your curls last for days and days. I definitely think that it is one of the ones that make your curls last the longest out of all the sprays. So definitely check this out if you haven't. So the next spray I'm going to tell you guys about is Naturalicious Heavenly Hydration Grapeseed Hair Mist, Conditioning Mist, and Hair Strengthener. So this spray, out of all the sprays, was a pleasant surprise because I've actually never heard of this brand before. I don't know if you guys have. Let me know in the comments below if you have. I've never heard of Naturalicious, and so when I tried it, I immediately fell in love with it. For this video, of course, I tried all the hairsprays for days so I can review it for you guys, but I found myself coming back to this one a lot because I just like the way it made my hair feel and the smell. Let me tell you, all of these sprays smell amazing. I kept saying that about almost everyone. They all smell so good, but this one is my favorite. To me, this one just smells the best. It smells so good. This has grapeseed oil in it and also avocado oil, but it smells so sweet too. I actually wore this the other day. I put it in my hair and I got in the car with some people and they were all like, "You smell really good. What perfume is that?" And I'm like, that's not perfume. Anyways, so this doesn't have any sulfates, parabens, gluten, mineral oil, phthalates, and it's cruelty free. So this product promotes that it softens, strengthens, conditions, and protects your hair all at once. So the grapeseed oil strengthens your hair every time you spray it, and then the avocado oil thoroughly conditions and protects your hair. This also adds shine to your hair with no greasy buildup. But when it comes to this spray, I have used it all over my hair before. I just make sure not to spray it too much on the top because, again, we want to keep it light, we want to keep it voluminous. So this is a wide shot spray, but I like to spray it into my hands because it is more of like a milkier consistency. I want to be able to control where I'm putting it. So as you can see, it's pretty milky. So it's liquidy in the bottle, but when you rub it into your hands, it turns into almost like a super light cream. So I'm gonna add that. And even though this one does feel a little like creamy when you put it on your hands, it is super light. So you can add this like throughout the week, especially to the dry parts of your hair. So if you have really super duper thick hair, again, you can spray it freely, but for those of us with looser curls or waves, you don't want to weigh your hair down, so a little goes a long way with this one. You can use it sparingly and it works really well. It makes my hair feel super duper soft, and my hair just really feels hydrated when I use this. So shout out to Naturalicious. I'm definitely gonna check them out. Okay, and last but not least, this is the Curlsmith Moisture Memory Reactivator Spray. It refreshes, softens, it adds shine, it revives your hair, and it has heat and UV protectant in it. So this is really awesome. I actually did a review on Curlsmith, but I didn't try the spray, so I was super glad I got to try it. If you haven't seen my Curlsmith review, make sure you check it out right here in the link above. I really like this spray. This brand, first of all, is amazing. All of their products are super duper natural. This is certified organic. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no DEA. This is a really clean product. So the reason why this spray is last is because it's definitely the thickest consistency when it comes to the sprays. It's very, very moisturizing. And this spray is unique because they promote it as a triple threat. So they say that this can be used as a leave-in conditioner, a daily moisturizer, and a styling primer. So the fact that they say that this could be used as a leave-in definitely tells you of its thicker consistency, thicker than like the watery kinds that I showed you earlier. And then you can use it as a styling primer before adding any of the products in, because it's definitely going to hold extra moisture if you have really, really dry hair. Definitely recommend trying this out. So this product, it does have a wide shot, but again, because it's very, very thick, I spray it into my hands directly and then I put it on my hair. When I spray this one into my hands, it almost like becomes a cream. So I'll show you what it looks like. So then I just rub that into my hands. You can see it's pretty much white. So this is very creamy. It's not like super thick as a cream, obviously, but it's definitely a cream spray. So I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hair since that didn't get much love today. My hair is gonna smell amazing, guys. I put a little bit of everything today. Obviously, I don't do that all the time, but just to show you guys what they look like. So if your curls start to come apart, get separated, and start getting really frizzy, this is really good to spray into your hand and just add it onto your little ringlet, and it's gonna help to define your curls, make them come back, and it's gonna make your curls hold. And it smells awesome. This has organic avocado in it, wild aloe vera, torn sage and basil, organic apricot, and resurrection flower. So it's just a nice little blend of everything natural and everything amazing. I also really like this because it has the heat and UV protectant in it. It's gonna protect your hair from any type of heat or sun damage. If you have super thick curly hair, like tighter than mine, you can spray this baby all over and you will be good. If your hair is more like mine, then you're gonna use a little bit less. A little goes a long way when it comes to the thicker products. Okay guys, so that is it for the Curl Refresher Spray reviews. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I really love all the sprays. All of them are good for all curl types. You just use them in different ways. I like the fact that all of the sprays are so unique in how they work and what they do, but at the end, they give you great results. So if you're interested in any of these products, check out your local Ulta Beauty store. You can find them there, or you can check the link in my description box. I'm gonna leave a link there so you can check them out online as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And about the products used, let me know which one you wanna try, or if you've tried them already, I wanna know your experience as well. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.